Hola chicos, buenos días. Espero que todo les vaya bien. Es triste que no estemos en la clase hoy para tener la clase, pero quería tomar un minuto, 2 minutos para explicarles el plan para el día. Do a little bit of English here. Once you get a chance to view this short video, everything is posted for today. Let me walk you through the plan. We're going to warm up with some vocabulary, so you can click here to practice our vocabulary from yesterday. It'll take you to Quizlet Learn. We're going to use the Learn feature today to warm up a little bit on our vocabulary, so that'll take you a few minutes to practice. Once you finish that, you're ready to move on to the next activity. That's also vocabulary. Go ahead and pull out sheet 56 from your folders. You all should have received that in class yesterday. If you didn't receive it, there's a digital copy here. So let me pull up the digital copy and show you. We're going to work on activity 4 and 5 today. I have some vocabulary words listed under la palabra. You see those words here and also here. You're going to write a word or a place in Spanish that you associate with each of these words. So, for example, it says la natación. The first word that I associate with that is la piscina. So that's a word that came to mind. So you can write a word or a place. Activity 5 is going to ask you to read through these sentences and decide if they are logical or illogical. So you can write una L or una I as you read those. So we'll complete activities 4 and 5 today to practice our vocabulary. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to move on to some grammar from yesterday. We've been working with pronouns and direct object pronouns. So the next task, it says, is to finish the backside of sheet 55 that Senor passed out yesterday. So let me open that for you and show you what it looks like. You should all have a copy of it in your folders, but if not, the digital copy is here. We worked through activities 1 and 2 yesterday. Activity 3 is down here. It says, lee la forma larga de la frase. Después escribe la forma corta con un pronombre para representar el complemento directo. Y por fin vamos a traducir las dos frases del español al inglés. Mira el modelo. So you'll start with the forma larga, which is right here. Vamos a explicar la lección más tarde. We're going to translate that to see what that means in English. And then on the right-hand side, it says forma corta. How do you take this and put it into the shortest form possible? Well, it would be vamos a explicarla más tarde. And then what's the translation of that one into English? We're going to explain it later. So questions 2 through 7 give you some practice with the grammar from yesterday. And once you finish, you can click on this link. It'll show you the answers. But please don't pull that up until you finish so we can see how you're doing with this new concept. Finally, once you finish, there's a short Canvas quiz here over direct object pronouns to practice what we've been working on yesterday and again today. So I'll get that quiz in preview mode here. It says, primero lee la pregunta y después contesta la pregunta con el pronombre correcto. So you're responding in the shortest way possible. For example, ¿tienes que comprar zapatos nuevos? And the answer is, sí, tengo que comprar. Well, we want to get rid of the word zapatos nuevos and replace it with a pronoun. So we would need to choose a pronoun that is masculine and one that's plural. So sí, tengo que comprarlos would be my response. So there are 15 questions here that use the pronouns we've been working on. Once you finish the quiz, that pretty much wraps up our e-learning for today. Just a reminder, we want to get that e-learning work completed by midnight. And then Group 1 diarios will be due on Thursday. So if you're here on Thursday, we'll have these diarios due. We're starting a new cycle. If we're not here on Thursday, they'll just be due when we come back. Have a great day of e-learning. If you have any questions, please let me know. Hasta luego, muchachos. Que les vaya bien.